family, welcome back to Miss Nanda's channel. Today I am bringing you a CVS haul. First of all, I would like to thank my new subscribers and my old subscribers. If you would just go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification bell and make sure you put it on all so you'll be notified when I bring you these deals on the low. Yes, I mean the low. All right, y'all, went to CVS, seen some good money makers, okay? Also, I did 2 transactions because one of them I was using a percentage off. So I explained that one. So let's go ahead and get to this CVS haul. Yes, honey, CVS, okay? So let's go ahead and do this deal. So I did 2 transactions like I stated. So the first transaction is this one right here. There is the Axe is buy one, get one 50% off. Then also you will get a $5 register reward back when you when you purchase 3. When you purchase 3 of either Axe, Dove, and I think it's Degree, you get buy 3, get a $5 extra buck. So what I did was I had those which came into, I think it was the Unilever that came last week, I believe. They was buy one, get one free. So if you buy either the shower gel or the spray or the deodorant for the Axe, you get one of them free. But y'all, one of my coupons would not scan. So I only used one of my coupons, which was okay. It was fine because I still came out on top. So let's see. I'm going to let you know the Axe deodorant. It was, the Apollo. It was $5 and no, I'm sorry. That was the body wash. It was $8.49. And you buy one, get one 50% off. And then you pay 50% off for the second one. Okay? Same thing with the body wash. I got the body wash. They are $5.99. So you buy one, get the second one 50% off, which was $2.54. And for the deodorant was buy one, get one 50% off, $4.24. Okay? Then I had some CRTs. The coupon, she only got to use one. So she took off $5.99 for one. And I used, for the Axe, there was a $4.50 off of 2, a 4 off of 10 for the deodorant. And I think that was it for the coupons, because I was trying to get another one off, but like I said, the coupon would not scan, and she didn't take the higher amount because I think the high amount was like $6 and something. So this is another girl that she's a good cashier, but she just went ahead and did the $5.99 because I think she didn't know which one to take off. Okay, which was fine with me. I wish she would have took off the $8 one, but it wouldn't. No, she couldn't take off $8 because it was actually, the max was $6 and something cents. Okay. The next thing was the Covergirl. The Covergirl was if you buy 3, well, actually, if you buy 2, you get, I think, a $5, but if you buy 3, you get a $10. So I went ahead and did the whole 3. These Covergirl pencils are $5.99 in my store, CVS. So I got 2 of them. And then I got the blush. Went ahead and did a face because I thought I had another paper for the Covergirl, but I didn't have it. So I did the face, and the face, there was a $4 for this one that was on coupons.com. So I went ahead and used the $4 off of this one for the face. Okay. And then they were, the one for the Covergirl blush was $7.99. This one for the blush was $7.99. So I had one $4 manufacturer coupon, 2 a $3 manufacturer coupon. They all scan great. Then I had a 6 off of 20 Covergirl. And let's see, what else did I have? And I had a $3 off of 1 Covergirl. And I think I might have had, let me see. Yeah, that's it. So that's what I had on that. Everything scanned, everything came off for the Covergirl. Then the last thing I got was the Chic and the Skintimate Razors, okay, and gel. So I got the Chic Quattro Titanium. This was, let's see, how much was the Chic Quattro? It was $14.49. And then I got the Skintimate, which was $9.99. Because if you spend I believe it's $25 or more, you get a $10 extra buck back. Then I got the Skintimate Gel, which was $3.89. So I had a $8 for this Chic Quattro CRT. I had $1, then $1 manufacturer coupon came off. I had a $4 manufacturer coupon that scanned, and you can go on coupontime.com and look for the $4 one. And then for the Skintimate, I had a $4 off of 1. Then also for the CRT, I had the dollar came off for the gel. Then I told you I had an 8 CRT that came out for the Quattro. I had, let's see, what else was it? A 5 off of 20 for that. And for the shave, I had a $2 off. I had a $2 off for the Edge or the Skintimate Gel. And I believe that was it, because I told you I had a 5 off of 20 for the shave. And then all my coupons came off, everything scanned. So I rolled in $9 in extra bucks. Then I had to save 30% off. I went ahead and just used that because I had one more day because it expired yesterday. So I just went ahead and got 45 cents off of that. So out of pocket, I had to pay, my subtotal was $3.20. Yes, $3.20. Okay. So, you know, everybody's taxes is different. And then I used a gift card for $5. And then I had to pay $1.96. I think it was $1.96 out of pocket. And then my total today's savings. So let me show you my receipt. Hold on. Let me show you my receipt, y'all. Receipt is long. Okay, so here we go. Oh, and I'm sorry, I did go ahead and roll in me some Haribo gummy bears. I love them. They're a different kind that I got, in which I love Haribo gummy bears, y'all. Whoo! Let me know down in the comments who loves those Haribo gummy bears or just gummy bears. Okay, they was $2.09. So if I didn't get that, I wouldn't have had to pay the $2 out of pocket. Okay, but that's fine. So I got the Axe, all 4 of the Axe. There's the Skintimate, there's the Covergirl, there's the Skintimate, then there's the Chic. There are the coupons, there are the CRTs. Then look, subtotal $3.20. I paid with a gift card and then had to pay $1.96 out of pocket. Then I saved $76.19 with a 96% savings. And then let me show you. I got $5 for the shower gel, $10 for the razors, and $10 for the Covergirl. So that was a money maker. Yes, a money maker, y'all. Money maker. Free and a money maker. So let's move over to the second transaction that I did. I was kind of debating on if I wanted to do this transaction or not. But I knew if I was going to do it, I had to use I had another 32% off. And I was trying to see how it worked because this will be the first time that I actually did it. So let's move over here, because I've heard the girls say, if you're going to use the percentage off, do not use do not use extra bucks, because it will lower your percentage off. Okay. So I said, let me go ahead and get this. Why? Because it was just one and then the other one was two. So I was like, let me get this for somebody else coming here. All right. So I got the L'Oreal Revitalift Derma Intensive. Okay. That is, let's see, $13.79. And then I got the L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect Collagen Expert Night Moisturizer, which I've been looking for some night moisturizer, and I'm hoping this is a nice and good moisturizer. I'm hoping, y'all. I've been looking for some nice, not really expensive, but some nice moisturizers. And it's been okay, hit and miss with, with the coupons and getting it free and, using some moisturizers. But I'm just kind of picky when it comes to my face, because I do not like a whole lot of breakouts and stuff like that. So what it is if you spend for the L'Oreal, if you spend $30, you get $10 extra buck back. Okay. So like I said, y'all, the cleanser, this Revitalift cleanser is $13.79. This L'Oreal Paris Age Perfect, the night moisturizer, is $19.49. Y'all won't believe what I paid out of pocket. I'm not paying because that's over $30. So I'm not paying that. No, ma'am. No, sir. Okay. But I had some coupons that made this go down. And I mean down. Okay. So I had a $12 off of 2. I had a $5 off of moisturizer and another $5 off of moisturizer. Then I had a 32% off just for you, which I've been getting a lot of percentage off, y'all, like 30% off, 32% off. But they won't give me the 8 off of 40, the 6 off of 30. I can't get that. They won't send that to me in the emails. They send me only the percentages. So I'm like, okay, I will not complain. At least I'm getting something. So what I did was I went ahead and got all that. I clipped all of them on my receipt. On my CRTs. I did not use no extra bucks. I didn't use none. Okay. No extra bucks. So my subtotal was $7.67. And everybody's taxes is different. So let me show you my receipt. There it is. So there is all the CRTs that came off. And look how much I paid. $7.67. You can't beat that. You can't beat that at all. Because the last time, y'all, I slipped up and I had $12 off of 2. And I was like, I don't even know what I was thinking. I could have got that just totally free. So once I did that, then there's my, I saved $25.61. Total savings value was 77 cents. And y'all, look what I got. $10. Okay? $10. That was free and a money maker. Okay? Because I didn't pay with no extra bucks at all. So y'all, if y'all got that 12 off of 2s, y'all can make it work to where you just walk out free. If you got 12s off of 2 and $12 off of 2 and then have some $5 off for moisturizer, you can walk out the store free, honey. Free with the moisturizer. You ain't got to worry about it. But y'all, this right here is my CVS haul. If you would just like, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for coming by. Miss Nanda's Child.